Hi, Dr. Robinson here with another tech lesson, and today I'm going over the dashboard for Canvas for the college AACC. And it is pretty massive, lots of regions, lots of links. But the primary link that I am concerned about, well, there's two. One is going to be email, and the other one is going to be access my courses, and that really is the essential one. M for my classroom.
My classroom virtual campus 2, 27 of 33.
And you hit enter.
Enter. Heading level 2, my classroom virtual campus.
And that's not what I actually selected.
Access your online, hybrid, and web enhanced courses that use the Canvas Learning Management. Visited link, access my courses.
Okay. Now it said visited, access my courses. Enter won't work here. Let me show you. Enter.
Enter.
Yep. Don't we love that? So then I knew it was preceded by something else. So it said it was a link. So I'm going to insert F7.
Links list dialog. Links list view. Turn off more accessible mode. 1 of 100.
Okay. I'm going to have you hit star, which is Shift 8.
Star. Access my courses. 94 of 111.
And that's how we're going to access it. So it's star access my courses. Now hit enter.
Enter.
And it
Alert.
opens.
Loaded 9 items. Visited link com 1,012,000,2020 FA.
I'm going to hush them up.
Dashboard.
Dashboard tab.
Banner region. Skip the content. Same page link.
Keep tabbing. You don't want to skip to the main content. You will actually want to go to the main list.
Global navigation region. Dashboard link.
Dashboard link. Tab again.
List with 7 items. Account button to act.
Okay. So that, if you're at the very top, you can do L for list to jump there. And now you can do I for item.
Visited link dashboard. Courses button.
Courses. That's where we want to go. Okay. So hit enter.
Enter. Loading graphic. Courses tray dialog. Close button to activate. Press enter.
So when you hit enter, all your courses open, and you can tab to the course you want. So I'm just going to tab through so you can see.
List with 4 items. Com 1,012,000,2020 FA link.
Okay. And we're going to come back there and hit enter and open it in just a second.
N 1,010,342,020
I'm going to hush them up, tab in.
GRP forward link.
Okay.
Virtual Writing Center link.
Okay. And
List with 2 items. All courses link.
all courses are right there. So actually, let's go there first so you can see how to easily navigate all your courses if that's open. Otherwise, you can go directly to your course with the link up above. So let's hit enter on all courses.
Enter. Courses. 3 regions, 2 headings, and 10 links. Courses, same page link. Skip the content. Visited link dashboard. List of 7 items. Account button. Visited link dashboard.
And you can hush them up. H, major heading, always gets you directly into your dashboard of items.
All courses heading level 2.
Okay, and then you can down arrow to them.
Table with 6 columns and 5 rows.
Okay, which is also T for table, which would get you here.
Favorites. Course. Nickname. Term. Enrolled as. Published. Click to remove from the courses. Visited link com 1,012,000,2020.
Now, I'm also going to tell you Control-Alt up arrow is going to go directly up the column.
Course, row 1.
Okay, so once you hit course, you can sit on your Control-Alt and down arrow.
Visited link com 1,012,000,2020.
Okay. Well, we were already there when we went to the courses. You heard tab one time and you went right there. So we're going to hit enter and open that.
Enter. Main region. Course. Call to row 2. Com 1,012,000,2020 FA link. Breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs navigation.
Hush them up. Once again, H for heading to jump directly into your main page.
Com 1,012,000,2020 FA heading level 1.
When you first get here, you want to insert down arrow and actually listen to the information. So I'm going to do that for a little bit, and then I'm going to hush them up and keep moving. So insert down arrow, which is caps lock. Sit on your caps lock, down arrow, then let both keys go at the same time.
Heading level 1 com 1,012,000,2020 FA. Heading level 2 com 1,012,000,2020 FA. Space run at 1. Heading level 2. Unspace punctuation period at 15. Initial cap P at 16. Com 101 header. PNG graphic overview. Begin with a font change at period. Link start to your module. The start to your module will outline the course requirements, dates, and give you the basics for getting started. Contact me immediately if you are unclear about anything. After you have thoroughly.
And I'm going to hush them up. Okay, right off the bat, it gave me a link. Start here with module. I also know that modules is a main item in the navigation region. If you do not know this, then you need to Shift H back to the title.
Com 1,012,000,2020
and you need to Shift Tab one time.
Courses navigation menu navigation region list with 12 items. Enroll in online academic list.
12 items. 12 items. So this is another major list item. Now I could up arrow. I can also Shift I because it's L to list, I for item. But now that I'm directly here, I'm going to just up arrow.
Link enroll in Virtual Writing Center. Link Office 300. Link citing sources. Link library. Link grades. Link discussions. Link assignments. Link modules.
Okay, link modules. I'm going to up arrow again.
Link syllabus. Link announcements.
Okay, so you have 12 items here. You can bring up your links list immediately and go to modules. or you can hit L for list until you hear list of 12 items, then hit I.
Link syllabus. Link modules.
Okay. Now, I'm just going to do my insert F7 just so you can see it's under your links list also.
Links list dialog. Links list view. Modules 11 of 41. To move to items, use the arrow keys. Links list.
But there's 41 links on this page. But it's very easy. Just insert F7, hit M till you hear modules. Okay? We're going to hit enter on modules.
Enter. Com 1 billion 12 million 2020 FA Google Chrome. Course modules. Com 1 billion.
Now I'm going to hush them up. This is a list. All your work is in a list. So hit L for list.
List of 12 items.
Okay, list of 12 items. That is on every single page. Every single page. That is the 12 items that we just came off of. So if I hit I.
Visited link home. Link announcements. Link syllabus. Visited current page. Link assignments.
Same exact thing. So you're always going to hear 12 items when you hit L. But we're going to hit L again for the next list.
List of 1 items.
List of 1 items. Okay, let's hear what that is. I.
Link start to your module. August 31st.
Okay, so that is your first module that you had, August 31st. So let's keep hitting I.
Link week 1 module. August 31st, September 5th.
Okay, now hit L for the next list.
List of 1 items.
List of 1 items, hit I.
Link week 2 module. September 6th to 1 2.
Okay, 6 to the 1 2, 12. Let's hit L for the next list.
List of 1 items.
And I for item.
Link week 3 module. September 13th 1 9.
Okay, now you can also just down arrow to the next item.
Page. Link week 3 module. September 13th 1 9.
And it takes you 1 item at a time.
List end. Heading level 2 week 4 module media ethics. Week 4 module media ethics toggle module list of 1 items. Link week 4 module September 20th 2 6.
Okay.
Page. Link week 4 module September 20th 2 6.
And they're all links, so you could do insert F7 also to immediately go to the links, which is probably going to be faster because these are all date driven, which is really, really nice.
List end. Heading level 2 week 5 module books.
Now you're also hearing heading, so you can hit H to each module. So let's just do that.
Week 6 module magazines heading level 2.
Okay? And if you don't know what date that is, just down arrow to it.
Week 6 module magazines toggle module visibility button expanded use list of 1 items. Link week 6 module October 4th 1 0.
Okay? October 4th 1 0. Okay? That's to 10. No. So this is the longer way to do it. So now I'm just going to insert F7 and go much faster.
Links list dialog. Links list view. Week 6 module. October 4th 1 0. 33 of 54. To move to items use the arrow keys. Links list.
I'm just going to down arrow through my links list.
Week 6 module. October 4th 1 0. Week 7 module. October 11th 1 7. 35 of 54.
Okay. So that's already up to October 11th. Well, I already know I bypassed it. So I need to go back to the week that we're going to be doing.
Week 6 module. October 4th 1 0. Week 6 module. October 4th 1 0. 33 of 54.
That comes first. If you didn't do all your homework, go up 1 more.
Week 5 module, September 27th, October 3rd, 32 of 54.
So let's say all the homework's done. Let's go to the next week, and we always want to study that every weekend, so we are prepared for the start of the week.
Week 6 module, October 4th, 1 0, 33 of 54.
Hit enter and open it.
Enter. Course modules, Com 1 billion 12 million 2020 FA Google Chrome. Weeks list.
Remember, as soon as you open up something, it's H for heading, H.
Week 6 module, October 4th, 1 0, heading level 1.
Now, you can down arrow nice and slowly, or you can insert down arrow and get a real huge overview of it.
Heading level 2, welcome. This week we will focus on magazines, the power of words and images. River Shock banner, JPG graphic.
Okay, JPG, that's a JPEG graphic. It's not alt-texted.
Overview.
Overview.
If you were to ask me what mass medium will go away in its current form during our lifetime, I would say magazines, though there is plenty of data to support.
Okay, and you just keep down arrowing through it. Okay, so once again, I want to show you that your lists are always here. So I'm going to go ahead and just hit L, and we're just going to move around. In general, I would control home, get back to the top of my page, because I know those are going to be there. But let's go ahead and just hit L so you can hear how the lists are.
List of 1 items.
List of 1 items.
List of 1 items. List of 4 items nesting level 1. List of 3 items. Wrapping to top. List of 7 items.
Okay, list of 7 items. That is your main module of your dashboards. Hit I in here.
Account button. Visited link dashboard. Courses button. Link calendar.
Okay.
Link inbox. Link student resources.
So just know when you hit L and you hear 7 items, that will never change and it doesn't matter what page you're on, that's never going to go away. Okay, hit L again for list.
List of 1 items. List of 3 items. List of 12 items.
List of 12 items. That also will never go away. Those 2 items are always exactly identical in every single page you go. So I for item.
Visited link home. Link announcements. Link syllabus. Visited link modules. Link assignments.
The what changes is your main part of your page where your heading is, and then you hit H for heading.
Week 6 module, October 4th, 10, heading level 1.
And you're back there. So just know your 7 items and your 12 items never change, and it just takes an L to immediately jump back there. Now if I wanted to go back a page, all I have to do is Alt left arrow.
Start to your module, COM 101 course requirements. Heading level 2, start to your module, COM 101 course requirements.
So that is how you navigate from your dashboard into all of your modules. And this is just a tiny start to it. But this helps you get into your work and begin the work.